Hello and welcome to this cooking tutorial. In this video, I will cover how to make avocado toast. I will be showing you how to make the famous avocado toast that millennials are eating just about every day and definitely drooling over because of how filling and flavorful it is. The goal of this video is to teach you, the viewer, how to make avocado toast based on your taste preference. As you can see, I have all of my ingredients laid out on the kitchen counter. This is so, when I follow along with the recipe, it is easier to locate my ingredients that are needed for each and every step. So, we have 1 avocado, 1 piece of bread, salt, pepper, and your choice of toppings. You can use eggs, vegetables, the options are endless. I'm going to be using feta cheese and a lettuce mix. Some utensils you will want to grab are a plate, knife, spoon, fork, napkin, and a toaster. The first thing that needs to be done is to remove your choice of bread from the packaging and place it into the toaster. While your bread is toasting, you can use your time wisely by continuing on with the recipe. You will need to grab your avocado and cut it in half. Remember to remove the pit and put it off to the side. You will now scoop the avocado out of the skin using a spoon and put it in a bowl. Once it's all scooped out, you will set your avocado skin to the side and begin mashing the avocado up with a fork. Make sure you leave the avocado a little chunky. You will now grab your toast from the toaster and place it on a plate you grabbed from your cabinet. Following this, you will take your spoon and put a spoonful of the mashed avocado and place it on your toast. You will then take your fork and spread the avocado evenly on the bread. Now you will begin topping your avocado toast with your choice of toppings to add some flavor. Before adding the toppings, grab your salt and pepper and grind both on the toast. Now it's time to add on your feta cheese and the lettuce mix. There aren't any specific measurements for the toppings, it is just based on your personal preference. Once you've completed your final step in creating your avocado toast, make sure to grab a beverage of your choice. I decided to go with water since it's summer and I'm trying to stay hydrated. You will now want to bring your plate of avocado toast to the kitchen table along with your beverage of choice and begin eating your delicious breakfast and/or dinner. Once you're done eating, make sure to clean up your mess. Thank you for watching and enjoy your avocado toast.